5 Eagles behavior that can change your life. Eagles teach us powerful life lessons. First, eagles fly high and often alone. This teaches us to stay focused and independent. Second, eagles have sharp vision. They remind us to have clear goals. Third, eagles don't fear storms. They use storms to rise higher. Challenges can help us grow. Fourth, they build strong nets, showing us the importance of preparation. Finally, they train their young to fly. Sometimes growth requires discomfort. Be like an eagle, rise above your challenges, follow for more animal behavior lessons.